How can I connect two keyboards to one computer?
Hello, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're going to delve into an exciting topic: how to connect two keyboards to one computer. Whether you're looking for more convenience, trying to set up a two-player gaming experience, or just wanting to explore new computer setups, this guide is for you.
Why would I need two keyboards?
Before we dive into the how-to, it's important to understand why you might want to connect two keyboards to one computer. Having two keyboards can increase productivity, especially if you're using complex software or applications that have a lot of keyboard shortcuts. It's also a popular choice for gaming setups, where two players can play simultaneously on one system.
Do I need special equipment?
The good news is that you don't need any special equipment. Modern operating systems such as Windows, Mac OS, and Linux can handle multiple input devices simultaneously, including multiple keyboards. All you really need are the keyboards themselves and enough USB ports or Bluetooth connections on your computer.
How do I connect a second keyboard?
To connect a second keyboard, simply follow the same steps you'd take to connect the first one. If it's a wired keyboard, plug it into an available USB port on your computer. If it's a wireless keyboard, you'll likely need to pair it with your computer through Bluetooth settings. Here's a step-by-step guide for each type. Wired keyboard. 1. Locate an available USB port on your computer. 2. Plug the USB end of your keyboard into the port. 3. Wait for your computer to automatically detect and install any necessary drivers. Wireless keyboard. 1. Open your computer's Bluetooth settings. 2. Turn on the keyboard and make it discoverable. Usually there's a button for this. 3. From your computer's Bluetooth settings, select your keyboard from the list of available devices and confirm the pairing.
How does the computer respond?
Once the second keyboard is connected, your computer will recognize both keyboards as input devices. Any keystroke you make on either keyboard will reflect on your computer. Remember, by default, both keyboards control the same cursor and active field, so simultaneous use might cause conflicts. And there you have it. You now know how to connect two keyboards to one computer. It's a simple yet powerful trick to maximize your productivity or gaming experience. As always, if you found this guide helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. Keep exploring, and have a great day.